Hello, let me show you how you can connect HUAWEI FreeBuds SE free into your TV. So right now, to turn on pairing mode, input both earbuds inside, open charging case, and click and hold this button until this indicator starts blinking white. If it is not working, you can release and repeat, but now it works. So now let's go to our TV. So right now on your TV, you have to open settings, and now just go for all settings. That's basically how it looks on my LG TV. And sometimes when you cannot actually find your headphones on Bluetooth list, like in my case, take a look. When I open the Bluetooth list, they will be not available here. So I can recommend you to go back from this, connection settings and go into sound. And you have to change input sound. And right here, you've got Bluetooth. Go into the list. And as you can see right here on available devices list, we can actually find HUAWEI FreeBuds SE free. So here we can just click on them. Now we have to wait for connection process. And as you can see, now we are successfully connected with HUAWEI FreeBuds SE free and our TV. Thanks for watching.